Module 2, Regulatory Requirements and Guidance. In this module, we'll provide a detailed explanation of the regulatory requirements and guidance related to laboratory investigations in a Current Good Laboratory Practice, CGLP, and Current Good Manufacturing Practice, CGMP environment. Regulatory Requirements, U.S. GMP. U.S. GMP requirements are somewhat more prescriptive than their European and PICS counterparts. Title 21, Part 211.192 of the Code of Federal Regulations mandates that any unexplained discrepancy or a failure of a batch or any of its components to meet any of its specifications shall be thoroughly investigated, whether or not the batch has been distributed. The investigation shall be extended to other batches of the same drug product and any other drug products that may have been associated with a specific failure or discrepancy. A written record of the investigation shall be made and shall include the conclusions and follow-up. This regulation requires investigations to consider not only the batch for which a problem has been identified, but also other batches and other products, which may also be affected by the issues to be identified. In addition, the regulations also require the investigation to include conclusions and follow-up. The follow-up should include preventative actions and tracking to identify trends which may impact on the quality of the products manufactured. Barr Decision. The so-called Barr Decision is a decision of the United States District Court for the District of New Jersey, delivered in 1993 by the Honourable Judge Alfred M. Wolin. The decision is the result of a civil case between the United States of America and Barr Laboratories, Incorporated. The case is the result of allegations made by the United States Food and Drug Administration that Barr Laboratories had released adulterated drugs into interstate and international commerce because they had failed to comply with the requirements of good manufacturing practice during their manufacture. The deficiencies for which Barr were cited were wide-ranging and included deficiencies in testing and investigation. Although this decision only strictly applies in the USA, the instructor who has read the decision believes that should a similar case come before the courts of another jurisdiction, the finding would be similar. A review of the relevant findings is of value here as it provides clear insight of the legal requirements.